Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best female cowgirl boots on the market, the Bybmorto Cowboy boots for women. If you're searching for a stylish, comfortable, and durable pair of mid-calf Western boots with a unique flair, these might just be the perfect fit for you. These boots stand out right away with their vibrant sunflower floral embroidery that adds a charming retro touch to any outfit. Whether you're heading to a country idol, a concert, or just want to elevate your everyday casual look, these boots bring that authentic cowgirl spirit with a fashionable edge. The design is truly eye-catching, combining traditional Western elements with a modern twist that makes them versatile for many occasions. When it comes to quality, the Bybmorto boots don't disappoint. They are crafted from high-quality faux leather, making them not only cruelty-free but also durable and easy to care for. Reinforced stitching throughout ensures these boots hold up well over time, even with regular wear. The mid-calf height provides excellent ankle support without sacrificing the sleek silhouette that cowgirl boots are known for. Comfort is key with any footwear, and these boots deliver. They feature a square-toe design, giving your toes ample room and avoiding the cramped feeling that some boots can have. The pull-on style eliminates the hassle of laces or zippers, making it quick and easy to slip them on or off. Plus, the stitched pull-on construction offers a snug fit that keeps the boots secure during long days on your feet. The sole is made of rubber, providing good traction and durability for various surfaces. This makes the boots practical for both indoor and outdoor activities. The shaft circumference measures 13.6 inches, which strikes a great balance for most calf sizes, offering a comfortable fit without being too tight or loose. In terms of style, the tan color option complements the floral embroidery beautifully and matches well with a range of wardrobe choices, from denim jeans to skirts or dresses. The combination of retro design with functional features makes these boots suitable for anyone looking to add a bit of country flair to their fashion. Sizing is pretty straightforward with a wide range available, from size 5 up to 13, so you can find your perfect fit. Whether you have narrow or wider feet, the design accommodates comfort without sacrificing style. Overall, the Bybmorto mid-calf Western sunflower cowgirl boots offer a great mix of fashion, comfort, and quality. They're perfect for those who want to embrace Western style with a modern, feminine touch. If you're looking for a pair of boots that can transition from casual daywear to country concerts and everything in between, these are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.